What are the possibilities for graduate study at CCU?
We're here to talk to students about the programs that we have and how those programs can take them to the next level.
A couple of times each year, the Office of Graduate Studies at Coastal Carolina University holds an open house.
They offer a large variety. I'm very impressed.
This is helpful for current students, graduates, and others in the community.
Looking to pursue getting my doctorates, and the master's is a stepping stone to that, so here I am getting some information about a master's program.
26 years ago this fall, Coastal offered its first graduate program.
Just in those short 25 years, we've grown tremendously, and our numbers keep growing, program-wise and student-wise.
Many students find it appealing to consider graduate studies at Coastal following completion of their undergraduate degree.
Coastal is a place that I'm very familiar with and absolutely love, so I want to continue building those relationships with my professors and classmates.
In many cases, someone completing their undergraduate degree can transition directly to a graduate program that fits their needs.
They really have it structured to where, you can start and finish and then go on to succeed.
CCU offers more than 25 graduate certificates and degrees through 4 colleges: science, humanities, education, and business, with another soon to be offered through the Honors College.
We want to offer programs that will help our community and our students get to where they want to be in the future.
The Fall 2019 Graduate Studies Open House is scheduled for Tuesday, October 15th.